These are just some ideas about homelessness. I think most people just follow a very established path in life. They just work for 40-hour weeks. They are conformists. They follow the herd. But I think if you are intermediately smart, or even like marginally smart, not even a genius, if you really set your mind to build wealth quickly, you would build wealth very, very quickly. Like, you don't have to get a degree in business to start a landscaping company and then make a lot of money in landscape. You don't have to. If you want to become a naturalist guide, which is what I have been, a lot of the chemistry courses and the molecular courses are just irrelevant. The education system is just a huge mess. But I'm getting off the topic. I think there should be an easy way to build wealth if you really want to. And I think a lot of people build wealth exploiting other people, and this is I think unfair for the system. Like Mexico and the United States built a lot of their major companies and a lot of their big statues and big buildings out of the exploitation of labor, if not in many cases slaves, either indigenous slaves or African American slaves. But going back to the idea of building wealth, I think you could build an algorithm using a regression model. I mean, I'm sure this has been built many times, but I don't know why people don't use it more often. So many times the daily or the weekly increase on a stock, if you use a stock screener, is like 30, 40, 50%. That is a huge amount of money. If you had like $1, you'd make 50 cents. If you had $1,000, you would make $500. I mean, that is huge. For example, with crypto, like sometimes it's 10%, but with a lot of stocks, it just goes up. So I've been using the stock market to track the stocks where you can make the most amount of money, and they just blow out of proportion. But usually, the ones that blow are not following an established pattern. So using technical analysis is probably not the easiest way. But I think if you build a model using a lot of the other variables and then price as the dependent variable, I think you could probably find out more about how to predict the stock market. I'm sure this has been done many times. This is where artificial intelligence and day trading and all this finance gurus come in. What do you think of my idea?